Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to recover deleted photos and files from Google Files Safe folder. Open the Google Files application. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Click on Settings. Toggle on Show Hidden Files. Go back to the main screen and click on Safe folder. Enter your PIN and you will see an option of recently deleted files. If you can't find it, go back and select Internal Storage. You will find a folder with name Files by Google Trash. Open the folder and you will find all deleted files. If you can't find them here, then go back and check on cloud storage by selecting Other Storages. Select your preferred cloud storage. Log into your account and you will find your files backed up to your cloud storage. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.